Steenbras Dam. Didn't know we're gonna have to hike, and therefore brought slippers. Super funny. We've got DJIs in the building, and we've got Canons in the building.
We've got Nikons.
We've got Nikons in the building.
And we have a Nick in the building.
And we have a GP in the building. Hopefully we're lucky enough we can see a leopard. Jonty has a cool defensive strategy. He's got the Mavic 2 zoom. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, he's going to use that blaze to defend us against the leopards. To defend us against the leopard. Sweet guys, so we are at Steenbras Dam. Jonty's busy setting up his drone. He's changing his filters to, I think, what?
ND16.
ND16. What does that mean, man?
It's quite sunny outside, but there is water that it reflects off, but not that much. I'm not really going to be shooting the water, so I just need a filter for general sun.
Okay.
Those f-stops down, you know.
Oh, there we go. And let's go on over to Martin. See, these drone guys don't like to really set up together. They like their own space. Martin, what filter will you be using today?
ND16.
ND16 as well, you know. And what type of drone do you have?
Mavic Air.
Nice.
It's a tiny thing.
Cool. And as for me, I'll be going underwater.
Oh, you're going to be flying.
I'll be using the GoPro Hero 7. We will be shooting at wide angle. No ND filters or underwater filtering with a red filter, not for now. We've got the dome. I'll show you that in a bit. And yeah, we're going to see what happens underwater. I'll be headed over to that bridge over there and just slowly going into the water. Should be fun. I must say it's quite cool down here, but as you can see the sun over there. So Nick has opted to, if you can just see him over there, he's decided to stay there. Nick has decided to stay at that point. You won't be able to see now, but he's setting up his tripods to do a hyperlapse of the bridge as the sun goes down. So this is the dome I'll be using. It's the Shoot 4 if I'm not mistaken.
Check this out, Nick.
So that should be cool. GoPro goes in there. Sweet. Let's suit this baby up. So this is Jonty's drone. See how solid that thing is. Sweet. And it's gone. I can't see it anymore. Are you going to Nick? So this is command and control. Similar setup over here.
Just a lot smaller.
Means it's more agile. So people, it's not easy getting here. We will now show you guys what it entails to get to this spot. Ow, ow. Don't wear slippers or pumps. Wear shoes. Like, not shoes. Yeah. Here we go. This is the entrance. What's this place called, or what's this hike called? It's not a bad hike. You'll get about 2,500 steps out of it from top to bottom. You have to go up to go down, so that's what we actually talked about. Oh, now I'm doing the camera. This is called Leopards in the Fyn Bos. Okay, it's not called Leopards in the Fyn Bos. That's a warning of leopards in the... This is probably sponsored by Woolworths. And yeah. And this is the exit. As you can see, the leopards that can't pick this. Possible. Jonty, what's this hike called?
Leopard's Hike.
Leopard's Hike, there we go. Steenbras Nature Reserve. Okay, and the journey continues.